Today's video is sponsored by these super talented pilots. Select your second clip and duplicate it. Select the copied clip, cut down to the first frame, and delete the rest. With this one frame selected, go to the color page. Under the Magic Mask tab, make sure the quality is set to better, for obvious reasons, and that the mask overlay is activated. Add a few points on your subject to create the mask. Once your mask is ready, right-click in the node window and add an alpha out point. Connect the blue output of your node to this new blue point. Go back to the edit page, right-click on this masked frame, and select Render in Place. Make sure you render it in a format that supports alpha channels, like ProRes 4444. If you're using Windows, go buy a Mac. Now that your mask is long enough, place it over the first clip, and position the second clip after it. To make it clear even for the retards, you're creating a mask from the first frame, placing it over the first clip, extending it, and then continuing with the second clip. Right-click on the masked clip and select New Fusion Clip. Go to the Fusion page, hit Command plus Space to open the Tools menu, and add a particle image emitter, a particle turbulence, and a particle render node. Disconnect your clip from the output, and connect the particle render node instead. Increase the pre-generated frames. Select the turbulence node, go to the Conditions tab, and increase the start frame value so the image stays clean for the first few frames. Go to the emitter node, and set the lifespan slider to the amount of your timeline frames, in my case it's 120. Now go back to the turbulence node and tweak the control slider to adjust the displacement to your liking. Once you're happy with it, add a saver node at the end. Click Browse and choose a location to save your render. Go to the Fusion menu at the top, and select Render All Savers. Wait for the render to finish. Once it's done, delete all the nodes, add a loader node, bring in your saved clip, and connect it to the out point. Add a time speed node after it, and set the speed to -1. Back in the edit page, right-click on the masked clip and select Retime Controls. Add a speed point a few frames from the beginning, and another a few frames before the end. Move the last point closer to create a speed ramp. Place the clip at the end of the first one, and you're done. If you want, you can add a simple additive dissolve transition between your clips and at the start of the mask. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, take your toxic masculinity somewhere else.